Greetings punters, Ben here, and we are doing game 666, which is Andre Rubenfeld's Venom 30 variant cover. Alright, we are live, and it is 8:43 PM. 8:43 PM. 43 places. Alright, got Dak in 1, Trent Thomas in 43. Okay, Dak in 1. 43, Trent Thomas. Alright, that looks good. A 3 dice roll. Okay, 4 and 6 is 10, and 1 is 11, 1 and 6 is 7, and 4 is 11. We have 11 rolls. Here we go with 1. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9 times. I'll check the dice. 4 and 6 is 10, and 1 is 11. We have 2 to go. Alright, 9, so this is penultimate, number 10. Alright, 10 rolls. Next one is for the win. Good luck, everyone. Alright, 11 times. Let's see who our winner is. Ooh, fits on the screen too. It is. Ready, set, go. Mr. Tim. Alright, congrats, Tim. On your symbiote win, get in contact with Andre to claim your prize. And we are done. Thanks for playing. See you next time.